Watch this video to see how a custom engagement ring comes to life. Step 1. 3D design and CAD creation. We begin by creating a detailed 3D design and CAD file. This digital model allows you to visualize your ring from every angle before it's made. Step 2. Wax model printing. Next, your design is brought to life as a wax model. This physical form gives a tangible preview of your custom ring and serves as the mold for casting. Step 3. Casting the ring. Gold or platinum is poured into the wax mold, forming the actual structure of your ring and preparing it for the setting process. Step 4. Polishing and cleaning. The cast ring is then polished and cleaned to remove any imperfections from casting. At this stage, the shine begins to emerge. Step 5. Diamond setting. Each diamond is carefully set by hand into the ring, bringing your design to life with precision and sparkle. Step 6. Rhodium plating and final finish. To complete the process, the ring is rhodium plated for a brilliant white finish and given a final polish to enhance its shine. Your dream ring is now complete and ready to be cherished forever. To get started on your dream ring, visit www.caraters.com.